So I came home from work, corporate security, an unnamed relative who will remain unnamed to protect the guilty. Not that I haven't done dumb stuff in my life. This unnamed relative was preparing food and said that the microwave kept stopping. So I had a look. Food was wrapped in a plastic bag, and the plastic has now apparently tattooed the glass tray. Well, maybe a tat might be cool. Not. So, how do I remove this? Good suggestion online looked like WD-40. So if WD-40 works, you'll see another video. If you don't, then I have a cool, hip, tattooed microwave tray, thanks to my unnamed relative. Not cool. But anyway, thank you.